So you wanted to dropship products into Shopify using Alibaba. I'm going to show you how to use this in a very easy way directly into the Shopify store, of course, totally for free. So first of all, what you wanted to do, of course, is to have access to a Shopify store. I'm going to leave you the link down below in the description so we can only start it totally for free. Now that we are here directly into Shopify, what you wanted to do is to get started with the integration of the Alibaba. So let's set up the actual supplier into Alibaba. What you wanted to do is to go directly into the web pod, go for applications, and go for the section into the upper side. Let's type Alibaba. Now here, I'm going to type and look out for the actual official dropshipping application. In this case, here it is. So as you can see, here is the actual application developed by Alibaba. So let's go here into install. Now that you have actually made and granted the access from Alibaba directly into your store, I'm going to hit into install. And now what I need to do is to create an actual Alibaba account in order to continue. Usually, it's going to be much more faster to actually create an account using an actual Gmail account. Now I have access to the dropshipping directly into Alibaba. And now that I have just installed my actual Alibaba using my account of Shopify, well, the integration is now been set up. Just to verify that your store has not been set up, let's focus into the left pod that says My Store. And you can see that here is the store name, my store email, the store URL, the currency, and the status already been set up and connected. So now what I wanted to do is to get started and find importing product to add it into Shopify. Let's click into the logo of AliExpress. Now here what you wanted to do is to look out for a product that you wanted to add. So you can see here are the top rankings, digital signaling, walking style shows, and so much more. I'm going to try with some that are really great and popular, of course. What you wanted to do is to make sure that you are inside the dropshipping Alibaba and not directly into the Alibaba.com. So here what you want to do is to, let's say, try to aim for, I'm going to try to go into the upper side. I'm going to copy exactly the same name and try to find it here into the dropshipper supplier. Sometimes it appears, sometimes it doesn't. As you can see, here is exactly the same product that we wanted to add into our store. So if you're okay with what you're seeing in here, then what you wanted to do is to select that product and then add it. So I'm going to select, let's say, for example, this product. Once you have successfully added all the products you wanted to add into your store, then what you wanted to do is to go into import list into the list pod. Now, as you can see, here are all the products that we can add directly into our store. This is the fun part. This is the part where you wanted to import the products into the store. But first of all, what you wanted to make sure is that you have added the actual title, the variance, and the price. So at the end of the day, this is the profit you're going to be earning. So for example here, I'm going to hit into edit the product. Now here, as you can see, here are the images, the variants, and all of that. So the actual shipping fee and the cost of this product is 400 and 200. So at the end of the day, I'm going to be earning this amount of money. If you want to earn a little bit less, then let's say, for example, I'm going to just leave this like this, and here is my actual profit. So I'm going to go and try to aim for more products as I am just getting started. Once you have finished with all of those, let's select all the elements you wanted to add and post directly into the store. This might be taking a few minutes in order to apply it and appear directly into your Shopify. So take your time. Now let's go back into Shopify and make sure that our product has now been imported correctly. I'm going to reload the page of the Shopify just to make sure that my product has now been imported correctly. And as you can see, here it is. Lastly, what I just need to do is to click into view into online store just to make sure that my product has now been imported directly into my store. And as you can see, here it is. Everything about my product is now been imported correctly. And there you have it, guys. You have learned how to dropship in Shopify using Alibaba as your supplier. Of course, there's a lot of elements that we needed to cover today, but I'm going to leave you the link down below in the description if you wanted to find out more information about how we can follow along with all of this importing of all these elements from Alibaba directly into Shopify. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Hopefully with all of that being said, we can see you into a brand new section, Tech Express. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.